happy birthday, my BFF, my kumare, my barkada. Today is your birthday. Wish you good health and more years to come. God bless you. We love you always. Love you.
Jap dear, hello, it's your day. Wish you all the best in life. God bless. More blessings to come. And please, please, stay healthy and beautiful, syempre. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, PFF. Jap, kumusta ka na dyan? Happy birthday pala. At sana ang wish ko, lagi kang nasa maayos na kalusugan. At sana kita-kits ulit tayo dito sa Pinas. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Kajap. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health, more birthday to come. God bless. Sana kita-kita ulit tayo para makapag-banding. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Kajap! Happy birthday! Oh, kumusta ka na? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, okay.
Hi Kajap, happy birthday to you. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang healthy, happy, and beautiful as ever. Sana magkita tayo soon. Sa reunion, sana maka-attend ka ulit. I miss you, I love you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kajap! I wish you good health, long life, and happiness. Advance Merry Christmas!
Hello, Kajap. It's your birthday and I just want to sing a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let us thank the Lord for another year added. You reach another milestone in your life. So just enjoy your special day to the fullest. And Kajap, I just want you to know that you are so blessed. You have a beautiful family. You have a loving and caring husband. So wala nang dapat mahiling pa, di ba? Everything that you ask for is already an answered prayer. So thank you, Lord, for the gift of your life. And we are all looking forward sa pag-uwi mo at lahat ng mga kaklase natin ay nag-aabang para tayo ay muling magka-get together at chikahan to the max. So, Kajap, happy birthday. God bless you and your family. Bye!
Hello, Kajap! Happy birthday, my dear! Masaya ako na naging part ako ng iyong birthday celebration this year. And ang wish ko sa'yo, my prayers for you, that the Lord will always bless you with a good heart, with a generous heart, so that you will always share your blessings sa iyong family, sa iyong mga kaibigan, especially sa amin, mga kaklase mo. We're always looking forward to see you and talk to you in person para patuloy tayo makapag-share ng ating mga experiences as we grow older. Biyayaan ka ng Panginoon ng malakas na pangangatawan, ng masayang buhay, ng kontentong buhay, at sana patuloy kang maging blessing sa maraming tao, especially sa iyong family. You know that I love you. You know that I'm always anticipating to see you in person and talk to you in person. Hope to see you soon. Sana makauwi ka para patuloy tayong makapagchikahan, para patuloy tayong makapag-banding, kainan, and kwentuhan. You know that I love you always and lagi kang kasama sa aking mga prayers. Again, may the good Lord bless you and keep you always. I love you, Kajap. Happy birthday.
Hi friend, happy birthday. Isa na namang numero na nagdag sa iyong buhay. Pero huwag mong isipin yun. Sabi nga, it's just a number. Hanggang kaya mo pa na magsaya, mamasyal, gawin mo. Sana sa araw na to, masaya ka sa piling ng iyong pamilya. Alam ko naman na lagi kang masaya. Ano ba ba? Good health for you, my friend. Ingatan mo yan. Sana maging masaya ka. At yung lahat ng pangarap mo, ng gusto mo, makamtan mo, mapasayo. At huli, isang magandang kaarawan. Maganda yan, ha? Kasi maganda ka. Ano pa ba? Ang hirap pala mag-video. Okay, hanggang dito na lang. Sa muli natin pagkikita. Isang maligayang kaarawan. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday sa inaanak kong maganda, Hasmin. Maraming salamat. Hindi nalilimutan si Ninang. Manang-mana ka sa Ninang. God bless. God bless, anak.
Hello, Kajap. Happy birthday. Kaisa mo ako sa pasasalamat sa Diyos sa biyaya ng buhay. At ang wish ko sa iyo ay nais kong awitin. Ito na to. Many happy returns of the day. This is what my heart can say. On your birthday, Kajap, I will silently pray. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday and Merry Christmas and a grace-filled New Year to all.